Welcome, friends, old and new. It's Bob and Fran, healthy aging proponents and advocates for a healthy, plant-based eating lifestyle.
There you go.
We're both in our 80s and still cooking up a storm, and we want to share with you 6 ideas we use to make plant-based cooking easy and delicious. I like easy and having fun with it.
Yeah, well, these are really not my ideas. These are friends' ideas. But I have to tell you, since we switched to a whole food plant-based diet some 16 years ago, Fran has become a FRAN-TASTIC cook. Of course, I get the benefit of nutritious, delicious meals every day. Did I marry the right woman or what? Fran, what's the first tip you want to offer today?
My first tip would be to make all the meals that you love. Virtually every dish that you have enjoyed in the past can be made plant-based, including many of the traditional ones.
Oh, yeah.
For example, we still enjoy our favorite burger and fries, meatloaf, chicken soup, buffalo hot wings, mac and cheese, even tuna melts. These all can be made plant-based.
Yeah, I like some of the classics and I like some of the new ones. Fran is really good about experimenting with some new ones here and there. But those classics, I love them all.
My second tip would be it's okay to use some store-bought sauces and dressings.
Wow, really?
You don't
Oh
have to
God.
make everything from scratch.
Yeah.
You can still be creative in the kitchen while keeping things easy, saving you time by using products like we use. For example, you can buy boxed or canned tomato products. Now, this happens to be organic diced tomatoes, but be careful if you buy tomatoes in a can that it says non-BPA can, because tomatoes are acidic. And in the wrong cans, they could have some bad chemicals in them. So you want non-BPA canned tomatoes or boxed tomatoes.
They're pretty convenient to use.
Now, this happens to be a Kroger brand. If you have a Kroger in your area, it's organic canned tomatoes. Another product that I really love to have on hand is spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce, you may call it. This happens to be from Aldi's, and Aldi's has 3 flavors now of oil-free organic pasta sauce if you don't have time or the inclination to make your own.
I have to say on this next one that Fran's going to show. This is a salad dressing. Now, Fran makes several different fantastic salad dressings that contain no oil. But there are times when maybe there's a little time squeeze or it's just more convenient. Fran goes for this California balsamic brand. We really love it. They make several different flavors.
Yeah,
right,
we're
Fran?
kind of hooked on the 7-herb Italian balsamic, but there's many different flavors to choose from.
And we have a link, by the way. We like them so much. We put a link in the description below. So check it out and give those a try when you don't make your own salad dressing.
The only thing I would urge you to do is if you buy any salad dressing, tomatoes, or pasta sauces, be sure to read the labels for sugar, oil, and salt. And like I've said before, read the back of the label. Don't read just the front, because the back gives you the details. Hi, friends. Just a quick break here. Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical AquaTrue tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water. No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So we urge you to click on the AquaTrue link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please Invest in your health now. The next thing would be to be creative and a little daring in your kitchen. Like I said before, make cooking a hobby, not a chore. You'll be amazed at all the new flavors, textures, and colors used in plant-based cooking.
One thing that I love about Fran's cooking is that it's very high in flavor. So I've seen like on some Facebook sites, cooking sites on the internet that show like these plates of food. They just look like 3 globs of different things on a plate. Well, I think Fran has solved that because she goes for high flavors and a beautiful presentation.
Make your plant-based meals packed with variety of delicious tastes and smells. You can utilize seasonings and spices that you've already used, and you can add some new ones as well. We say ban the bland. You can do this by using colorful veggies, adding garnishes, and arranging the plate so it looks attractive too.
What's the next tip, Fran?
Okay.
I have to say before I know what it's going to be, but I have to tell you that Fran resisted
trying new things,
new equipment
Yeah.
to cook
Yeah.
in her own kitchen.
Yeah, it takes me a while to get used to trying something new. When I got an Instant Pot that my kids were nice enough to give me, at first I only made rice in it. I didn't use it for.
But I think at first you never used it for anything. And then
I was a little bit
finally-
afraid of it.
Yeah.
Remember the stories when I was growing up of pressure cookers exploding? But now I use my
Sure.
Instant Pot almost daily
Yeah.
for so many different dishes. And I also got an air fryer that I use without any oil and make lots of wonderful dishes.
So that's another way
Yeah.
of making cooking easy by
Yeah.
using Instant Pot and air fryer.
Right.
We have our favorite ones on our Amazon page, and there's a link to that also in the description below. So check that out, our Amazon shopping page.
Now, one more thing I want to suggest is using the internet for plant-based meals and inspiration. Plant-based eating has become so popular that there are now a ton of wonderful recipes online. You can just Google, for example, plant-based spaghetti and meatballs,
Yeah.
and recipes will pop up. You can choose the one or ones that are most appealing to you. We simply suggest trying these things that feel easy and that you can handle. And of course, we have a great variety of plant-based recipes on our website, and we'll post the link.
Yeah, I think Fran's recipes are really good.
As
So-
you know, we're like easy. I
Yeah.
don't like, if the recipe is so complicated, I just won't do it.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Fran, for all your practical ideas here. And friends, please give Fran a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, please. She loves hearing from you. And be sure to subscribe and get notified to get more videos like this one. And we look forward to seeing you again
Very soon. Bye-bye.